Hello, everyone. So here's what's different about the People's Brand is this. I believe in a holistic approach to coaching. How you show up professionally is really a result of the other areas of your life. Okay, we are multifaceted. There are so many different layers to us as humans that to just focus on maybe a leadership strategy or how to deal with a difficult employee, those things are great, but what about you? What about you, right? What about those other areas of your life that really impact the professional? So this is why I've introduced Intention 2020, and it's a workshop that helps you with achieving your desires and your dreams. Now, I don't call them goals. I call them intentions, because when you speak about intentions, when you have to say the word intend. When you intend to do something, you have set out on a path. You're locked in, okay? You are focused. And so this is another offering. This is another tool that will help you to achieve and to be the very best. The link's in the bio. Go check it out.